Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonnemann and today I get to share with you the MVP boys basketball as well as the girls basketball collections. These collections each include 4 double-sided pattern papers. You get 2 of each of the papers in each of the collection kits as well as a 12 by 12 elements sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the papers that come in this collection. First, I want to explain the things that are the same in each kit. So 3 of the papers that you receive will each be the same in both the girls basketball and the boys basketball collections. So let's take a look at those first, and then we can take a look at the individual papers that are unique to each collection kit. This paper is called All-Star. It includes multicolored stars on a white background. And it also features the teal paper with a darker diamond pattern that goes from small to large in size on the back. This paper is called Free Throw, and it includes iconic basketball phrases in a host of fun colors and fonts. The phrases include All-Star, Swish, MVP, Pick and Roll, Slam Dunk, Fast Break, Three-Pointer, Brick, and so much more. The nice thing about this is it coordinates with any of the papers in the collection kit as well as the stickers. The back of that paper includes this fun vertical stripe with all of the same colors that you see throughout the collection, including orange, teal, yellow, green, black, and white. This paper is called Swish. It includes basketball hoops and basketballs on this great black background. The back of that paper resembles the leather look and texture of a basketball. This paper would be perfect for adding a team photo or an individual photo from each season. As a bonus paper, you'll also get this great basketball paper that's located on the back of your cover sheet, so be sure not to throw away your packaging because you'll get an added bonus that's over and above the 4 sheets that are inside of your collection kit. And remember, each of the collection packs include 2 sheets of all of the papers in each of the packs. The 4th sheet in each of the collection kits are the ones that are different. So in the boys basketball collection kit, you will get this set of cut-aparts, which feature 2 4x6 cut-aparts and 8 3x4 cut-aparts, with sayings that are more generic: always play hard, basketball, I love this game, love, March Madness, proud basketball mom, a spot for journaling or stats, this great basketball court, basketball, teamwork makes the dream work. So these cut-aparts focus on the boys basketball season, where the ones to the right are all part of the girls basketball MVP collection. Those are more tailored towards women specifically. Hoop like a girl, I know I play like a girl, try to keep up, I love that. Basketball, basketball. Boys invented it, girls perfected it. So it's a little more sassy. Girls got game. Proud basketball mom, another one of the stats or journaling pieces over here. For the love of the game, queen of the court, and then this female basketball player in the shadow here. So those are the differences between the 2 kits. Some of them can be mixed and matched between the 2 kits. So if you have a boy and a girl basketball player in your family, both kits could be used for either. There's just a few that are specifically girl related. On the back of the boy cut-aparts, you'll get this great ombre effect with lots of different basketball players, shooting and rebounding and slam dunking. Definitely a male basketball player. And this is what the female basketball player looks like. I love that they have ponytails and headbands. They're shooting, rebounding, dribbling. The last piece in the collection kits are the element sticker sheets, and I wanted to show you them side by side. As you notice, some of the elements are exactly the same and some are different. So definitely take a look at the different styles, Lots of different fonts, great titles, some tags, a few tickets, great words to be able to add to layouts or travelers' notebooks. So this is the boy version. So you've got the male basketball player passing and running and playing defense and slam dunking on the left. And then on the right you have the girls doing the same things with their ponytails and their fun headbands. I really like the way Becky designed this because it really does embody the female basketball player, and that's something that's been lacking in the industry. I'm really excited to see what you design with the boys and girls basketball MVP collection designed by Becky Moore. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and have a great day.